In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in CapCut on PC. If you need to quickly remove a few seconds from the beginning of a clip, cut out an awkward pause at the end, or simply tighten the pacing on your timeline. This is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The process is very simple, and once you do it once, it becomes second nature. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the video clip you want to adjust. Click once directly on that clip segment to isolate it. As soon as it's selected, you'll see a clear white outline appear around the clip block. That border is CapCut's way of showing that the clip is active and ready to be edited. It's a small visual detail, but it matters because you always want to make sure you're trimming the correct clip before you make any changes. Once your clip is selected, you can trim the front of it. Move your mouse over the far left edge of the highlighted clip. As you hover over that vertical border, your cursor will change into a trim tool icon. That cursor change is your signal that you're in the right position. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag that left edge inward to the right. As you do this, CapCut removes the unwanted frames from the start of the clip in real time. This is especially useful if your recording begins too early, or if there's dead space before the action starts. Next, you'll do the same thing on the back end of the clip. Move your cursor over to the far right edge of that same selected clip. Once again, your cursor will change when you're directly over the trim handle. Click and hold, then drag the right edge inward to the left. This trims away anything unnecessary at the end, like extra silence, a pause after someone finishes speaking, or leftover frames that don't need to stay in the final edit. By adjusting the left and right edges of the clip directly on the timeline, you can clean up your footage very quickly without overcomplicating the process. You're simply selecting the clip, grabbing the edge you want, and dragging it inward until the timing feels right. And that's it. With just a few quick moves on the timeline, your clip is now trimmed, cleaner, tighter, and ready to fit smoothly into your project.